Does the Blue Yeticaster bundle suck? Let's find out. So this is the Blue Yeticaster bundle. I know I've already opened the box because I did the review, I did everything, and I just didn't like how the video turned out. So this is the Blue Yeticaster bundle. This includes the microphone with the shock mount and the microphone arm, which is very high quality, and I really like it a lot. I also will say, for the $200 price point, you get a pretty weird looking box too. Four-sided figure, don't even know how to describe it, but I guess if you're paying $200, you might as well get a cool, weird shaped box. Now to the review and unboxing. Here we have the actual microphone. Wow, this thing feels really high quality. I like this a lot so far, and I haven't even used this. Oh wow, all aluminum design. That thing looks really nice. All aluminum, has an actual mute button and a gain button, or a gain knob, with four four patterns. Wow, how do you? This is a firm switch right here, or this is a very nice switch. That way you know. Wow, yes, it takes some force to switch the pattern. And you got your gain knob here. I guess this is just for headphone volume. But this thing already looks amazing. And here you have the place to put the tripod, or to mount it on the stand, headphone port, and a USB connection. Nice and high quality cord. I like it. Good job on that. And very long, which is a good thing because it might have to reach a long way. This is a massive shock mount right here. This thing is really big. It's bigger than what I thought it would be, but oh well, that's good. Nice, made of aluminum. I like it a lot. And it looks very nice with the all black theme here. We got the little screw to screw it all together. This is the high quality, really actually high quality desk clamp. It looks quite nice and also sits flush to your desk, and I guess it also swivels, which is even really better. That's a really cool feature. Nice and wide, so you can fit it on almost any desk. Very high quality aluminum here, cold to the touch. And last but definitely not least is the Blue boom arm for the mic. Let's see. Take this off here. Once again, aluminum, cold to the touch. And quite nice here. It's spring loaded. That looks very nice. Looks very sturdy. I like this gold tip right here at the end for the thing. Where you put the microphone. It looks cool. Very high quality stand, swivels and everything. Now let's get this put together and see it all together. I must say, this thing is looking pretty nice, if I say so myself. You got the shock mount, the actual Blue microphone, and the boom arm for the microphone. Also put on it was a $7 like foam windscreen, so you don't hear all like the psst and the wind that you'll get from just talking in general. And it does not come with this package, but I would definitely recommend getting one. It's only $7. You're spending $200 anyways. You might as well get a little windscreen just to make your audio sound just that much better. As you can see, it sits flush with the table, which looks really nice when you have a normal desk and not one of these desks with a side panel. This thing also has a channel or a cable raceway for the cable that runs along the entire thing, just to hide that cable so you don't have to worry about it. I am about to test it out for the first time and see the kind of audio quality that we get and the difference between what I was using and what I now am going to use. So this is my laptop computer audio. For this test, or for these tests, I'm going to keep this a black screen, and I'll just let you listen to the audio difference. As you can see, this is what I usually use for voiceovers, and this microphone is what I'm going to mainly use it for, is voiceovers and stuff like this. I've been using, or what you've been hearing is through my camera actually, and that has a decent microphone. It's actually a lot better than what my computer has, but I know that this microphone, this Blue Yeti microphone, is going to be a lot better than even that. So this is my computer laptop audio, and I'm just going to say a sentence and I'll let you guys hear the difference. I like jumping cats. I like jumping cats. I like jumping cats. I like jumping cats. There's a hole in the wall. 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 So hopefully this test shows how clearly this microphone is a lot better just by the dynamic range that you can get off the microphone and how the computer audio sounds so muffled. It sounds pretty bad, and then when you start listening to the Blue Yeti microphone, you can really feel that natural voice, the dynamic range, and not just the crappy muffle that you get with the computer. And last but not least, this is an iPhone camera, and the audio that you get from this, and I can already tell you this is probably not going to be great. I'm probably going to have to boost it up a lot, and it does not sound the best either. But I just want to say thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned and saw how this Blue Yeti microphone is really good. Especially if you don't have anything, it can really improve your quality of anything that you're doing. You can use this for music, you can use this for streaming, you can use this for content creation, really anything that you would need a microphone for. This has it. Also has a headphone pass-through, and they advertise that it's a low latency pass-through port, so you should be able to play games and use the headphone port out of here without any latency. Now I've had a few latency issues, but test it yourself and see how it is. Everything else is amazing. They have software that you can adjust and do all sorts of things with, and all the different cardio patterns are great. So thank you for watching, and have yourself a great day or night wherever you are in the world. Peace.